Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Merrill Edge with Vanguard. The first thing I'm going to compare are fees, then I will look on the customer service, also markets and products, what they actually offer and how it actually feels to use Merrill Edge or Vanguard. First, I want to say that I don't recommend to use Merrill Edge or Vanguard for day trading. I don't think they are suitable for it or for like options. I would choose different platforms like Robinhood and others. Now, on next thing, Merrill Edge and Vanguard are really great for long-term investing to ETFs and funds. Mainly Vanguard is great for if you want to choose Vanguard ETFs because they are free if you want to buy them. So if you would go to Vanguard ETFs, yes, the stocks are stock commission of $2,000 trade. Yes, the US stock is $7, but the ETFs of Vanguard are free. But if you're using Bank of America, I recommend going with the Merrill Edge. Only because all the advantages that you're gonna get, and also the next thing is that you're gonna have Vanguard ETFs for free on Merrill Edge, so you don't have to actually go to Vanguard to actually get the Vanguard ETF. And then also another thing is that you're gonna have the US stock completely for free. So again, this is the win for Merrill Edge from when we talk about the fee department. Now to go further, account opening, fast, fully digital, no minimum deposit in Merrill Edge. When we go to Vanguard, slow account opening time, that's like the one disadvantage. When we talk about the markets and products and what they actually offer, they've both got with the stocks, ETF, funds, bonds, options. Even when you would like to trade with the options, let me show you, it's 6.5, 0.65 per contract. Comparing to Vanguard, it's, look at this, 17. So again, if you would even want to trade options, I would go with a Merrill Edge. Then when we go to the markets and products, they offer same ETFs, 2,300, or Merrill Edge too. Merrill Edge seems okay-ish, but again, I wouldn't personally use it for day trading. That would be crazy. Comparing to video game Robinhood feels much more pleasable to lose money in. But also I would buy for long-term holding, I would choose Merrill Edge, and then I would just buy stocks in it. So that's what I would do. They're both safe, so you're not going to make a mistake if you choose Vanguard or Merrill Edge. But again, this video is really hard to compare, honestly. When we talk about the customer service, both offer phone support, live chat you have only on Merrill Edge, and you don't have live chat in Vanguard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. To summarize this whole video, go with the Merrill Edge for long-term investing to stocks because there you can buy them for free. Also to ETFs if you have open account in Bank of America. But if you want to choose like buy only Vanguard ETFs in Vanguard is okay too. So thank you, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.